KASPA is currently making a breakout on the 4-hour time frame, and in this video we're going to be having a look exactly at where KASPA can potentially go in the near future, and we're going to be having a look at some support, resistance, and some technical analysis. If you guys like these videos, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn those notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. So having a look at KASPA real quick on the trending line, we know that this was a massive downtrend, and I've been saying that, guys, a massive breakout is imminent. If you guys saw my last video on KASPA, I said either a massive correction is coming if we break below this area right here, which is a support region. As you guys can see, this was a nice little support region right here. We kept getting rejected off the support, and we got rejected off the support multiple times. Or number three too is that we come off and break this resistance like we saw in the past. So if I actually go back on KASPA, we broke out this downtrend right here, we broke out this downtrend right here, and I could even go back, guys, all the way back then. We broke out this downtrend right here. What happens when we break out a downtrend? We essentially explode. Okay, we literally take it to the moon. I mean, as you guys can see, we pumped 222%, and of course another time we pumped and broke out of this downtrend right here. So this was a long time downtrend. What happened once we broke above it? We essentially exploded 440%. So obviously these moves are going to be lower, right? They're going to be shorter, and they're going to be less in percentage because the market cap is getting essentially higher, and you know, the more the market cap gets higher, the harder it is to essentially to multiply your money, right? I mean, that's just logic and common sense. But we know right here, we broke out. What happened? Boom, 74%. So we went from 440 to 220 to 74%, and then boom, we saw another pump right here happening. It was approximately 152%, and now we're seeing another pump happening on KASPA. And the big question is, how high will KASPA go? Are we really gonna go to 10 cents? If you guys remember my tweet right here, I said I will be giving 10,000 KASPAs away to whoever retweets this tweet right here, and of course 10,000 KASPA at 10 cents equals $1,000. So this is a big giveaway. It's $1,000 by the end of April. Of course, it has to happen according to the tweet. You must be following me on Twitter as well. Link will be in the description below. So having a look at some of the technical indicators, we can see right here that KASPA on the daily time frame is actually doing something very good. So if I take this and I open the exponential moving average, we know that I love the exponential moving average. If you guys have been following my channel for quite some time, you know that I love these exponential moving average, and they mean a lot. So right here, ever since we broke above the EMA ribbons, we essentially popped to the upside, came back down, got rejected, popped to the upside, came back down, got rejected. The bigger the moves we made, the bigger the corrections were, and the bigger the bounce was, right? So every time we came back, we always got rejected at these exponential moving average. What happened again? Boom, came back down, got rejected at the exponential moving average. We popped to the top, came back down, got rejected at the exponential moving average. And in my last video, I said, guys, watch it. KASPA is currently at the EMA ribbon, and I'm not gonna be completely bearish until we come below these exponential moving average. And guess what happened? Not only did we see the support at the reverse at the support region right here, but we also saw the reverse at the exponential moving average. So we got two bounces right here. One on the support region right here, as you guys can see, and two, we got it on the EMA ribbon. So this is obviously a very important support region right here, as you guys can see. And if we have a look at the RSI, guys, we know on the RSI, every time you are below 30, you are essentially oversold. Every time you're above 70, you are overbought. So what is happening right now? We were above 70 right here. Here, as you guys can see, that's where we peaked. Boom, we essentially started to come down, and we also saw a bearish divergence. A bearish divergence is when you make higher high and lower highs on the RSI. Okay, so this is obviously a very bad and negative indicator, and that's what's happening right now. So not only did we break the trend right here on the RSI, we also broke the trend as your friend on the 4-hour time frame, on the candle, essentially on the chart. So that's what's happening right here. It seems like we are making and nearing that overbought region on the RSI. It's not really the best sign, but the pump is healthy, guys. I mean, volume is coming in. If I go on KASPA right here, I mean, on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the volume is increasing. Obviously, I mean, since, you know, the past 4 hours, obviously I would like to see more volume, but we could see right here that the volume has been increasing at the breakout, and that's what you want to see. Now, this breakout would have been better if you saw a volume like this. It's very, very possible, guys, that we do see KASPA coming back down tomorrow. It depends how Bitcoin reacts, because right now on the right side of my screen, Bitcoin is finally moving. I mean, Bitcoin is finally back above $28,000, which is exactly what we want to see. We got VRA, we got KASPA 13%. I mean, this is all day gainer today. I mean, it's probably the highest in my top altcoins right here that I have. We got Atom, Kadena. So that's that for KASPA. I mean, things are looking pretty good. Volume is up $130 million. So it might not be up right here on MEXC, but it seems like on CoinMarketCap it is up. Okay, so we got 4% of the market cap being traded, which is still a little bit low in my opinion, because we know that the market cap right now is currently sitting at $629 million. So that's a lot of money, guys. That's almost, that's $500 million. It's not peanuts, okay? And of course, 446,000 people on the watch list. So the community is growing, guys, as you guys can see. I mean, the first time I made the video on KASPA, I believe there was only 8,000 people on the watch list, and now we're currently sitting at 46,000, ranked 211. If you guys don't know why KASPA hasn't reached the top 100 on CoinMarketCap, I left a tweet on the criteria that CoinMarketCap has in order to be in the top 100. And right now, KASPA isn't doing one, or isn't fit for one of the criteria, unfortunately. So that's what's happening right now. It's not that CoinMarketCap is a scam. You could trade KASPAs right here on on MEXC, on Gate.io, TXB, CoinX. So there's a lot of exchanges you could actually trade KASPA on. And another thing I forgot to mention, that something I partnered with MEXC and with you guys, for the community, if you deposit and trade, you could earn up to $100 in KASPA and up to $9,000 in futures bonuses. Now, of course, this event does end in 13 days, 19 hours and 11 minutes. So if you guys haven't yet, or you haven't maybe used the link that offers this, make sure you use the link in the description below. Not only would you be helping me as a content creator, but you would be helping yourself. So like I said, guys, ends in 13 days and 19 hours. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like. Happy holidays, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.